Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to make this simple yet delicious Italian affogato, one of my favourite desserts.
Without any further ado, let's get into it. For this dessert, what you're going to need is some vanilla gelato preferably, or you could use vanilla ice cream of your choice, as well as a freshly poured double shot of espresso. Ours today is going to be made using a homemade vanilla gelato from our Ninja CREAMi. If you'd like us to make a video on how we make our vanilla gelato, let us know in the comment section down below. And we're going to use the La Specialista Arte for the shot of espresso. So step number one, we're going to blend the gelato in the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe. We're going to remove the pint and the lid. Pop the container in, pop the lid back on, and in the machine it goes. I'm gonna turn the CREAMi on. I'm gonna twist the handle. We're going to select full and gelato and go.
If you're enjoying this video, why not give us a like and subscribe?
Now let's have a look and see if we need the respin. That is very nice. Okay, now we have our gelato ready to go, and we have a cup that we put in the freezer for a few minutes just to make sure that it helps keep the temperature of the gelato. You can do this the fancy way, or you can do it the basic way. The taste is going to be the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of scoops of our lovely gelato. Oh yes. I'm going to pop them in the cup. And now we're going to pour the very lovely espresso over the top of this. For the espresso, we're going to use the La Specialista Arte. I'm gonna turn that on, and we're going to grind our coffee beans. Okay, now we're ready to pour the espresso. We've got it selected on double, and let's go. Now we have our lovely and creamy double espresso as well as our vanilla gelato. I'm going to pour the espresso over the top of my gelato. Let's do this. And this might look a little bit weird, but the name Affogato actually means drowned. So we've basically drowned our ice cream in coffee, ready to enjoy. You can also add a little cookie or biscuit. Enjoy. So that's how you make a delicious affogato at home.
If you want to check out more Ninja CREAMi dessert recipes, then click the link on the screen now with our Ninja CREAMi playlist.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you in the next one.